Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sons of the Forest stuttering problem. If you want to fix this problem, click here and then type view advanced system settings and then click adjust for best performance. Now click apply and OK and then close it. Now go to enable Xbox game bar, then turn off this one and then go to GeForce experience. And after that go to drivers, check for updates. Now just install the latest update for your driver. Go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and now your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix it, now the last thing you need to do is to right click on your desktop, NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait a few seconds and this window will pop up. Click use my preference, move it to performance, click apply. Your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you in seeing the next video.